Starting an auto spare parts importation business requires careful planning and research. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Guys, before we dive into this tutorial, I'm in the person of Isaac Jimado, the founder and CEO of Morning Smile GH. The very first steps to starting an auto spare parts importation business is market research. Identify the demand for specific automobile spare parts in your target area. Analyze competitors, market trends, and customer needs. So the very first step that you need to consider is your market research. So you have to analyze your competitors or identify your competitors and analyze them. What is their secret? What is keeping them going? Then the next thing is what is trending in the market or what is trending on the market. Then you also have to, in your analysis, you also have to understand the needs of the customers. The next thing on my table is business registration. Register your business, obtain necessary licenses, and secure a tax identification number. In my country, for instance, that's Ghana, starting a business that is a sole proprietorship, you don't need to register your business before you get started. You can start your business while growing, then while growing, you get your business registered. However, if you have the means of registering your business from the beginning, kindly do so. The advantage that it comes with is when you plan carefully and you position yourself very well and you get your business registered, it helps you to bid for government contracts. Oh yes, and it also puts you at that epic where your credibility is respected. The next thing on my table is sourcing for suppliers. Find reliable suppliers from countries like China, Japan, or the US. Attend trade shows, join industry associations, or use online platforms like Alibaba and so on and so forth. So, going into the automobile spare parts, as I said earlier, there are some industry associations or these automobile spare parts associations. If you find yourself in them, you can just join them, and it will help you to keep yourself updated. Then the next thing is in China and in other countries like Korea, the US, and so on. There are these trade shows that are being organized on a yearly basis. Yes, so you can identify some of these things. If you have the means of going, why not go? It will help you to get connected to the manufacturers. It will help you to also connect to other business like-minded people from other geographical locations and always network with them. Yeah, but if you can't do that, sit at the comfort of your home and just network using the online platform, as I said earlier. Yes. The next thing you have to do is product selection. Product selection. Choose a niche or a range of products to import, considering factors like quality, price, and demand. I am carefully putting all these things in place to guide your decision making. So you have to the things you need to consider like the quality, the price, and demand. So when you get the knowledge or you get the nitty gritty as far as this automobile spare parts importation is concerned, is during the sourcing. That is when we dive into the practical aspect of it. You have to consider quality. You have to consider pricing. How do you consider price? That is when you consider price from one supplier or one manufacturer to another. About three, four, five of them. You compare the prices, you compare their quality, you compare the demand in the market that you want to go into. Familiarize yourself with import regulations, tariffs, and customs procedures in your country. Yes, it's as simple as ABCD. Just get yourself familiarized with them. This also helps you to know how to maneuver your way out and make a worthwhile profit. Another thing on my table that you have to consider while you dive into the automobile spare parts importation business is logistics and shipping. Arrange for shipping, custom clearance, and storage of imported goods. It's as simple as ABCD. In this very tutorial or in this very course, I will be giving you recommended shipping companies that you can use to ship down your goods into your country. That notwithstanding, wherever you may be watching me from to, you also have to consider getting a reliable shipping company that will take delivery of your goods and ship them down into your country, wherever you may find yourself to be. You also have to consider the secured means by which you can get custom clearance. Yes, you have to factor in all those things. Then storage of imported goods. You need to get a place where you can keep your goods, or yes, keep your goods when they arrive in your country. Marketing strategy. Develop a marketing plan to reach your target audience, including online marketing, advertising, and networking. There are people online that they are also within the area of your business. Try to network with them if possible. Try to run, how do you call it, advertisement on social media. Go for shows, go for seminars and all that. It will also help you to put in these some of these marketing strategies, and you are very good to go. Secure funding for your business, considering options like loans, grants, or investors. That is, if possible. Yes, it's as simple as ABCD. Sometimes too, you may come into a family or a scene where people wouldn't want to help you because they don't understand your vision. They don't understand where you are driving to. So just consider any way, anyhow that you can raise funds or finances for your business. Set up a warehouse to store imported goods and implement an inventory management system. It's as simple as ABCD. In my case, for instance, with Morning Smile, um, having been importing goods for my customers, my clients from various locations, what I do is I have a well structured system that gives me the cash in, the cash out, the cash flow in and out, then also goods that comes in, goods that goes out. So just think about all these things and put in structures or systems to always keep track records of things that goes on within your business. It always helps you to keep going. The next on our table, I should say, is launch and monitor. Yes, launch and monitor. Launch your business, monitor progress, and adjust strategies as needed. A lot of people launch their business, but they don't monitor their business. Launching your business is one part of it. Monitoring your business is also another part of it. Your day in, day out, you need to monitor the activities of your business on daily basis. Yes, on daily basis. You need to monitor the progress of your business, things that comes in, things that goes out, and you are very good to go. So, my guys, you see, starting an auto spare parts importation business, as I said earlier, requires careful planning, research, and execution. Stay focused, adapt to challenges, and be prepared to learn and grow. If today is your first time coming across my channel and you are watching me on YouTube, kindly take the opportunity to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, and stay updated as and when I drop a new video. Yes, if you find value in this very tutorial too, share your comment, like, and share to friends and family. Check in the description of this very tutorial where I'll leave links to other resourceful tutorials. My WhatsApp channel link is also in the description of this very tutorial. If you are watching me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, kindly hit on the subscribe button or hit on the follow and keep yourself updated. Once again, I'm in the person of Isaac Jimado, the CEO and founder of Morning Smile GH. See you in my next episode.